Assalamualaikum. My name is Umul Adawiyah binti Muhammad Isa. My number matric is J19A0341. So, I would like to talk about Tectona grandis, include the physical and mechanical properties, usage and some informations. Tectona grandis is a Lamiaceae family tropical hardwood tree species. In mixed hardwood woods, it is a big deciduous tree. Its common name is teak tree. The kingdom of Tectona grandis is Plantae, Lamialis for its order and distribution in Asia. Other names for the Tectona grandis are Sakwan, Jati, Mesak, Yati, Teak, and Javatic. Trees may reach a height of 50 meters and have a diameter of 1.2 meters. Teak trees should be at least 40 years old to achieve the highest quality. The bark is dark, fibrous, and has small longitudinal cracks. The wood terrace is dark brown and gold. Tectona grandis is native to Indonesia, India, Laos, Myanmar, and Thailand, while this Tectona grandis is exotic at Asia. Then, physical properties include the density, natural durability, preservative treatment, texture, strength properties, machining properties, nailing property, air drying, and shrinkage. Teak is a medium weight timber with a density of 610 to 750 kg meter cube air dry. Teak hardwood is regarded as durable to highly durable depending on exposure conditions. The texture is gritty and irregular, straight, wavy, or somewhat interlaced grain. The chemical properties of teak wood vary depending on the harvesting area as well as the position inside the trunk and the testing method used, and can range widely. It can be found cellulose concentrations of 39.1% to 57.2%, pentoses of 7.7% to 14.7%, and lignin concentrations of 29.3% to 39.1%. Teak's primary component contents between hardwood and sapwood were determined to be insignificant. They were both in the weak acidic range. Hardwood has a somewhat lower moisture content than sapwood. The extractive had an influence on the color of the teak wood in addition to the structural differences in lignin. The most popular methods for obtaining natural extracts, particularly for herb solid liquid extraction, are solvent-based procedures, with maceration being the most basic. Next, about the usage of Tectona grandis. Teak's favorable characteristics make it ideal for a wide range of applications. The wood has been utilized for ship decking as well as other boat construction, tasks such as furniture and interior fittings. Teak's high oil content, strong tensile strength, and tight grain made it ideal for applications requiring weather resistance. It's used to make things like patio furniture and boat decks. Teak has been utilized in the construction of boats for over 2,000 years. Teak is resistant to root, fungus, and mildew in addition to being reasonably strong. The wood has a low shrinkage ratio, which makes it ideal for applications involving moisture fluctuations on a regular basis. Unlike some other comparable woods such as purple heart, teak has the rare characteristic of being a good structural timber for framing or planking while also being easy to work and polish. As a result, it's highly sought after for interior trim work on boats. Because of the oily nature of the wood, adequate preparation is required prior to gluing. Teak has a discontinuous or patchy distribution pattern in its native area. The distribution and growth pattern of the species are influenced by a number of variables. The quantity and distribution of rainfall and moisture, as well as soil, light, are all important variables. So for the conclusion, we know that this Tectona grandis is widely used in all countries and has its own usage, physical and mechanical properties. So that's all for me. Thank you.